Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire and fireplacesrus.net. Giving you a quick product review here. This is the Barber Jean. This is the outdoor 48-inch linear gas fireplace. These guys are available in 48, 60, and 72, single-sided as well as see-through. We have this here set up. It's some reflective glass on the inside, driftwood logs and rocks. And what you're going to do is you're going to build this thing in your outdoor area. So all of this you cover up with stone or, whatever your finishing material is going to be, stucco, bricks, whatever you want. There's a nice stainless steel box on the inside, gives a cool reflection to the flames. This is a draft shield as well on the front to keep the flames from getting whipped too much by the wind. It's available on our website, fireplacesrus.net. It's 1-855-485-4015. Thank you.